Welcome to the Mushroom Minute, only found on the Mushroom Network. Our fungal exploration today focuses on the dead man's fingers, scientifically named Xylaria Polymorpha. Alright, get ready, as we're diving into it now. These fungi get their haunting name from their appearance: dark, finger-like protrusions that emerge from the ground, reminiscent of a decaying, zombie-like hand coming out of the ground. Now, doesn't that sound a little spooky? While they may look menacing, dead man's fingers are saprobic, meaning they play a crucial role in breaking down dead plant material, particularly hardwoods, returning vital nutrients to the soil. Though not toxic, dead man's fingers are not considered edible due to their tough, woody texture and lack of taste. However, their presence indicates a healthy ecosystem. Plus, they make an awesome Halloween decoration too, right? For those with a morbid curiosity, or simply a love for fungi, make sure to explore the genetics of dead man's fingers on the Mushroom Network's marketplace. Don't forget to subscribe to the Mushroom Network for even more fungi insights. Thanks for watching.
If this Mushroom Minute sparked your interest, imagine what we could cover in the extended feature. There's a whole world of amazing insights, fascinating stories, and incredible uses for this kind of fungi genetics, and countless other genetics out there. But to make that happen, we need your help. By subscribing to our YouTube channel, you're not just signing up for amazing, in-depth content. You're helping grow our Mushroom Network, and fueling our mission to share the incredible world of fungi, both far and wide. Thanks for watching. This is the Mushroom Network, signing off. For now.